Let us look at the ingredients. Moong dal 1 cup, sugar 1 cup, 5 tablespoons of ghee, some badam and cashews, 8 to 10 elaichis for flavor and 2 cups of milk. Let's place the pan over the gas stove and roast the moong dal, giving it a nice roasted flavor. Empty the roasted moong dal and now take 1 teaspoon of ghee in the same pan. Roast the dry fruits well. Empty the roasted moong dal in a mixie jar and grind it. You can look at the consistency here. Store it separately. Place the same pan on the gas once again and add 5 teaspoons of ghee. This is needed to give nice texture and flavor for the halwa. Now add the cup of nicely grounded moong dal into it and mix nicely until it becomes a semi-solid paste. Now add a cup of milk and stir. Add another so that the halwa gets good consistency. Add the cup of sugar to it and stir continuously. Add the elaichi powder to this paste for good flavor. Now add the cup of dry fruits to it and mix well. Voila! Your yummy moong dal halwa is ready to be served. Hope you enjoyed this recipe from us. Do share your comments and views, and until next time, it's bye bye.